Here we're sitting in the research flight simulator of the Institute of Flight System Dynamics of the University of Munich. And this institute is covering a large variety of research topics and areas. One of them is flight guidance, and as part of the studies in the field of flight guidance, the Landing EU project was also contributed by this institute. For example, the role of this institute was the integration of the software components, the implementation of the tunnel in the display, and the integration of the flight path predictor. And so this simulator was utilized to test the whole system before it was integrated into the actual aircraft. So test approaches on all relevant airfields included in the flight test campaign were executed here in the simulator before they were executed in reality. And beyond that, also the operational hardware was integrated with the software and flight tested here. And so, well, in the film you can see some approaches also performed now in the simulator.
Here in the research flight simulator of the TU Munich, we made all the pre-flight tests for all tunnels calculated for all approach areas. Here, for example, we are approaching Bolzano Airport from the ECHO reporting point. What you are currently seeing on the screen is the tunnel together with the predictor, and the predictor consists of the predictor symbol and also of the reference frame. The terrain we are using in the simulator is the actual terrain that we are also using for all the flight tests. At the moment we are seeing the changing level of details according to the distance of the terrain. Dann sind wir schon so schnell.
For the verification of the landing system, real flight tests had been carried out in the 3 test airports of Bolzano, Lugano and Skiathos. Especially the accuracy of the 3D GIS database was an issue, as well as the testing of the system in different aircraft.